Did you know that just a single hour of DIY magic can totally transform a room from drab to fab? Imagine walking into a space that feels completely new and refreshed, all thanks to a few simple projects. I bet you've been there, staring at your space, itching for a refresh, but feeling like you just don't have the time. It's a common dilemma, especially when life gets busy and our to-do lists seem never-ending. Well, guess what? You absolutely do. With a little creativity and some quick, easy projects, you can make a big impact in no time at all. In this video, I'm sharing 10 super easy and stylish DIY home decor projects that you can whip up in under an hour each. These projects are designed to be both fun and functional, adding a touch of personality and charm to your home. Perfect for busy bees who crave a beautiful home without the huge time commitment. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, these projects are accessible and achievable. We all know the struggle is real, wanting a gorgeous, personalized space, but not wanting to spend a fortune or entire weekends crafting. It's about finding that balance between style and practicality. That's why I'm so passionate about these quick, budget-friendly DIYs. They allow you to express your creativity without breaking the bank or taking up too much of your time. They're all about maximizing style while minimizing effort, so you can have a home you love without sacrificing your precious free time. Imagine the satisfaction of looking around your space and knowing you created it with your own hands. Get ready to unleash your inner DIY diva and create a space that truly reflects you. From wall art to clever storage solutions, these projects will inspire you to get creative and make your home a true reflection of your unique style and personality. Let's kick things off with some seriously chic geometric wall art. This project is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of modern elegance to their home decor. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, you'll find this project both fun and rewarding. Grab some wooden dowels, metallic spray paint, gold or copper looks amazing, and some strong glue. These materials are easy to find at any craft store, and they won't break the bank. Plus, the metallic finish will give your art piece a luxurious look. Cut the dowels into various lengths, creating a cool, abstract design. Don't worry about making them perfect. The beauty of this project lies in its imperfections. The different lengths will add depth and interest to your final piece. Spray paint them for that extra pop, then glue them together to form your geometric masterpiece. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area or outside to avoid inhaling fumes. The spray paint will dry quickly, allowing you to move on to the next step without much waiting. Easy peasy, and it looks like $1,000,000. You'll be amazed at how professional your DIY wall art looks once it's finished. It's a great way to impress guests and add a personal touch to your home decor. You can customize the size and shape to fit any wall, and the metallic finish adds a touch of modern glam. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, this project can be tailored to suit your space perfectly. Imagine this shimmering geometric art piece above your sofa or in your entryway instant style upgrade. It will catch the light beautifully and become a focal point in any room. It's so satisfying to create something beautiful with your own hands, and this project is perfect for beginners. You don't need any special skills or tools, just a bit of creativity and patience. Plus, you can brag to all your friends that you made it yourself. They'll be impressed by your creativity and might even ask you to make one for them. Who needs expensive art galleries when you have your own creative genius? This project proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to have beautiful, unique art in your home. This DIY wall art is a total game changer, adding personality and visual interest to any room. It's a great way to express your style and make your home feel more like you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and geometric shapes. You can use bright, bold colors for a fun, playful look, or stick to neutrals for a more sophisticated vibe. You can even add some string art elements for an extra touch of texture and dimension. The possibilities are endless. Try using different materials like yarn or thread to create interesting patterns and designs. This project is all about expressing your unique style and creating a piece that truly reflects you. No two pieces will be exactly alike, making your art one of a kind. So grab your supplies, put on some music, and let's get crafting. Make it a fun, relaxing activity by inviting friends or family to join you. It's a great way to spend quality time together while creating something beautiful. This DIY is not only quick and easy, but also incredibly versatile. You can adapt it to fit any style or color scheme, making it a perfect addition to any room in your home. You can create a single statement piece or a whole gallery wall. Mix and match different shapes and sizes to create a dynamic, eye-catching display. Imagine a cluster of these geometric beauties in different sizes and metallic finishes. Talk about a showstopper. It will add a touch of glamour and sophistication to any space. This project is a perfect example of how a little DIY magic can transform a space without breaking the bank. It's an affordable way to update your decor and make your home feel more stylish and inviting. And the best part? It takes less than an hour to complete. You can easily fit this project into your busy schedule, even if you only have a little bit of free time. You can easily squeeze this project into your busy schedule, even on a weeknight. It's a great way to unwind after a long day and do something creative. So ditch the boring blank walls and add some personality to your space with this stunning DIY geometric wall art. You'll be amazed at how much it can transform a room. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Your home will feel more stylish and personalized, and you'll have a beautiful piece of art to show off. So what are you waiting for? Get your DIY on and create a piece of art that you'll cherish for years to come. It's a fun, rewarding project that you'll be proud to display in your home. This project is a perfect way to unleash your creativity and add a touch of personal flair to your home. It's a great way to make your space feel more like you and less like a generic showroom. Get ready to impress yourself and everyone who enters your newly styled space. Your DIY geometric wall art will be a conversation starter and a source of pride for years to come. Next up, let's talk throw pillows. The easiest way to add a pop of color and texture to any room. Throw pillows are not just functional, they are a fantastic way to express your personal style and creativity. Whether you want to refresh your living room, add some flair to your bedroom, or even spruce up your outdoor space, custom throw pillows are the way to go. And guess what? No sewing required. That's right, you don't need to be a sewing expert to create beautiful custom throw pillows. This project is perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Grab some fabric glue, a plain pillow cover, and some fun fabric scraps, or even an old t-shirt you love. The possibilities are endless when it comes to choosing your materials. You can mix and match different textures and colors to create a truly unique piece. Cut your fabric into desired shapes. Think fringes, geometric patterns, or even simple stripes. You can also experiment with different shapes like hearts, stars, or any other design that speaks to you. The key is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Now, get your glue gun ready. Make sure it's heated up and ready to go. A glue gun is a handy tool for this project because it provides a strong bond and dries quickly. Carefully apply glue to the back of your fabric shapes and arrange them on your pillow cover. Take your time to plan out your design before you start gluing. This will ensure that your final product looks polished and professional. Press firmly to secure, and voila! You've got a custom-made pillow that looks like you bought it from a fancy boutique. The best part is, you made it yourself, and it reflects your personal style. This project is so addictive, you'll want to make one for every room in your house. Once you see how easy and fun it is, you'll be inspired to create more. Each pillow can have a different theme or color scheme to match the decor of each room. Imagine a cozy reading nook with a pile of these personalized pillows. Pure bliss. A reading nook filled with custom pillows can become your favorite spot in the house, perfect for unwinding with a good book. You can mix and match fabrics, colors, and patterns to create a unique look that perfectly complements your style. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold patterns and vibrant colors. The more eclectic, the better. This no-sew technique is a game changer for anyone who wants to update their home decor without the hassle of sewing. It's quick, easy, and the results are stunning. Plus, it's a great way to upcycle old fabrics and give them a new life. And the best part? It's incredibly budget-friendly. You don't need to spend a lot of money to achieve a high-end look. With a little creativity and some basic supplies, you can transform your space on a budget. You can use fabric scraps, old t-shirts, or even inexpensive fabric remnants from your local craft store. This is a great way to recycle and repurpose materials you already have at home. This project is all about getting creative and making the most of what you have. It's a wonderful opportunity to experiment with different designs and techniques. You might even discover a new hobby. So raid your closet, gather your supplies, and let's get gluing. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. The beauty of DIY projects is that they are a learning experience. This DIY is perfect for adding a personal touch to your living room, bedroom, or even your outdoor patio. Custom pillows can make any space feel more inviting and cozy. Imagine a set of these custom pillows on your outdoor furniture instant style upgrade. Your patio or backyard seating area will become a stylish and comfortable retreat. This project is so versatile, you can adapt it to any season or occasion. Create holiday-themed pillows for a festive touch, or make seasonal designs to keep your decor fresh all year round. So ditch the boring store-bought pillows and create something truly unique with this easy no-sew technique. Your custom pillows will be a conversation starter and a reflection of your personal style. You'll be amazed at the transformation a few custom pillows can make in your space. They can completely change the look and feel of a room, making it more vibrant and inviting. Get ready to cozy up and enjoy your newly styled home. Your custom throw pillows will add warmth and personality to your space, making it a place you'll love to spend time in. Remember those drab throw pillows from before? They were so plain and uninspiring. Look at them now. Totally transformed with just a little fabric and glue, they look brand new. It's amazing what a difference an hour of DIY can make. The results are truly stunning. These projects prove that you don't need a ton of time or money to create a home you absolutely love and cherish. It's all about those little touches that add personality and style to your space. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and DIY. Try out these projects, put your own spin on them, make them uniquely yours, and share your creations in the comments below. We love seeing your ideas. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Your creativity is inspiring. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips and home decor inspiration. Stay tuned. Let's keep the creative juices flowing and make our homes beautiful, one project at a time. Together, we can do it. Now go out there and create something amazing. You've got this. Let's get started.